Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be explaining white blood cells and how they defend us against infection. Now, white blood cells are cells of our immune system, and I've abbreviated it here to WBC. Now, if a pathogen, which is either for what we need to know, a virus or a bacteria, gets into our body, the white blood cell can defend us against it. And it can do this in a number of ways. So here I've got a white blood cell and our pathogen. This could be a virus or a bacteria. Now on the surface you can see these molecules. These are called antigens. And these molecules are the molecules that our immune system, so our white blood cells, recognise, and they allow it to fight it off. Okay, so the first way that we need to know is that the white blood cell produces antibodies. So these molecules here are antibodies, and what they can do is they bind to the antigens. Like so. So they bind on to the antigens, and that allows them to destroy the pathogen. Remember, a pathogen is any virus or bacteria that can cause infectious disease. So that's the first way that we need to know. The second way is that the pathogen, bacteria specifically, might sometimes produce toxins. So that's our toxin, and toxins make us feel ill by harming ourselves. What the white blood cell can do is it can produce antitoxins. So they work in a similar way. The antitoxin can bind onto the toxin and stop it from working, therefore stopping it from making our cells damaged and making them feel ill. Okay? So that's the first two ways, antibodies and antitoxins. The third way is a process called phagocytosis. Now you don't need to necessarily remember that word, just need to remember the process and be able to describe how it works. So here's our white blood cell again, here's our pathogen, so virus or bacteria. What the white blood cell can do is it can actually change shape. So it can change shape, and it can what we call engulf. So it engulfs the pathogen. Now really important is that you don't use the word eat. Okay, so it engulfs the pathogen, takes it in, and then it can destroy it. So it breaks it up into lots of little pieces, destroying that pathogen. Now remember, don't say eat. So you can say engulf and destroy. So those are the three processes by which white blood cells can defend us against infection. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Any specific requests, please leave them in the comments. Thank you very much.